How to turn off people you may know on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off people you may know on Facebook. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to your Facebook's menu, so go ahead and tap on the settings button you see on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Preferences tab, go ahead and select the Notifications option. In the interface that you will be led to, find the People You May Know tab and further tap on that. Now, go ahead and toggle off the button for Allow Notifications on Facebook. This will automatically turn off the notification for push, email, and SMS. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the turn off option, and with this you will no longer receive the people you may know on Facebook notifications. So this is how you can turn off people you may know on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.